Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief of Staff General Romeo Bronner Jr. is denying reports that he is taking over the security group of Vice President Sara Duterte. In an ambush interview on Wednesday, November 27, Bronner says Duterte's security remains under the Presidential Security Command.
Hindi po totoo yun na I will take over the BPSPA. It is still under the Presidential Security Command. Kasi nga po, hindi ko po kayang gawin yon dahil marami po tayong iniisip na iba pang mga security issues ng ating bansa. Our country is beset with a lot of security threats, a lot of security challenges. So kaya po nananawagan kami sa ating mga kababayan na huminahon, maging kalmado sa nangyayari, and let us just allow the democratic processes to continue.
According to Bronner, he will temporarily replace the military assigned to the Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group with a contingent from the AFP and the Philippine National Police. Meanwhile, in his speech at the AFP Leadership Summit, Bronner rejects former President Rodrigo Duterte's call for the military to correct the supposed fractured governance of President Bongbong Marcos. Bronner reminds military personnel of their job to protect the Philippine Constitution.
Hindi po natin trabaho yun. That is not our job. So ang trabaho natin is to protect the Republic of the Philippines, protect its people, defend our territory, and defend our sovereignty and our sovereign rights. So yung mga nakaraang mga military adventurism ay hindi na po pwedeng yun. That is why we will not take the law into our own hands.
The AFP chief also says he believes active military personnel should just resign if they want to express partisan political opinions. Former President Duterte on Monday, November 25, enjoined the military to correct Marcos and House Speaker Martin Romualdez due to what he deemed a fractured governance. The Department of Justice said Duterte's remarks are bordering on sedition, while the Office of the Executive Secretary treated this as a blatant call for the military to launch a coup d'etat. The former president's remarks come after his daughter Vice President Sara Duterte's statement that she already talked to a person who she supposedly instructed to kill Marcos, his wife First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, and cousin Romualdez if she herself is killed.